recording? I have no clue. Yeah. Hey guys. So I'm recording on my new iTouch. I don't know how this is gonna work because it's not an iPhone. I know you can upload from an iPhone, but I don't know about an iTouch. So yeah, it is currently snowing over at my place. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, that's snow. It never snows this early in the year here. Too bad it's the day after Christmas, so it's not a white Christmas, even though it did snow a little bit yesterday. I'm on break, and it's only sticking to the rope. What's my hair doing? I don't know. But yeah, I just recorded Please Don't Go. Probably gonna edit that tonight, some of it. And refilm stuff, because I know I'm going to need to refilm stuff tomorrow. And yeah, and if we get a lot of snow, we're supposed to get 6 to 10 inches, I'm going to go out and record a video outside on this thing, I think. Maybe. Don't know. So yeah.